Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get my center part, and then I'm going to be doing like a smoky eye, like a warm smoky eye, but I didn't show you how I did it. I don't know why I was being lazy, but I hope you enjoy it. We're going to start by taking a regular bandana or a t-shirt that you can tie around your head, and a comb. It has to have, like, you know, a tip that you can be very precise with, and some hairspray. We're going to go for the part that we want, and it takes me a little bit sometimes to achieve my part, so you just have to sit there and play with it for a while. Once I find where I want to part my hair and I have it parted perfectly, I'm going to spray it with hairspray. While the hairspray is a little damp, I'm going to go ahead and comb it out a little bit and just kind of shape it. After your hair is sprayed down with hairspray and you have it where you want to be, we're going to take our bandana and we're going to fold it in half. And now we're going to tie it around our head. And I just tie the two longest parts together. And then I'll take the middle of the bandana and place it between that knot, and then tie the two longest parts on top of the little part that you just pulled down. After you've tied your bandana, we're going to brush it out a little bit more and blend it and make sure your bandana is on your head really tight. Then I'm going to take hairspray and really make sure that it's, you know, going to stay put, and kind of just move my hairs on the front of my head where I want them to stay at after I take my bandana off. After I'm done doing my makeup and stuff, that's usually when I'll take off my bandana, and I'll go ahead and like take my comb and brush it through a little bit more afterwards too. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please hit subscribe and thumbs up, or leave a comment below. Till next time.